Hey, what's up guys? Chris here from DIY E65E66.com, and tonight's video I just want to show you the power of pressure washing and Plasti Dip. So as you guys know, if you haven't already watched my how to Plasti Dip your car's rims, check that out. So I'm going to put the power washer to the test before I put on my new rear tires and get rid of my stock ones. So I'm going to have matching all four black Giovanni rims on here. So I'm going to go back to the rear tires in a second. You're going to see my stock 19-inch E65 tires that came on the car. And I Plasti Dipped them with 5 coats of black matte Plasti Dip. That's again 5 coats. And so let's put this these Plasti Dip rims to a test. So if for some reason the power washer, we're going to do it on the ultimate high pressure. And for some reason, if it does scrape off, oh well, I'm going to put my new rims on probably 2 days from now, so it's going to be okay. But let's put it to the test. Looks good. As you can see, guys, the Plasti Dip is totally still on there. And if you're wondering what this is here, that's just the reflection of the light, the overhead light, just the reflection of the light. So 5 coats of Plasti Dip had survived a high pressure wash there. So really cool. The reason I was spraying it at angles is because obviously I don't want high pressure water hitting right on my caliper and brake pads and rotors there. So I was going at an angle there, but passed the test with 5 coats. This stuff hasn't budged, which makes me a little bit worried about peeling it off, but it should be okay. I'll get a video of that if I do take it off. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. You guys have a wonderful night, and please stop by DIY E65E66.com. Come say hello, drop a comment. Appreciate you guys. You guys have a good day. Bye-bye.